is goodbye, waiting for your bright blue sky. Lonely night with the angels cry, holding on to the sunrise. When you come back to me, I've got too much feelings. Maybe you're the one I wanna lost in.
Sa pumili ng The Runner card, ito yung reading. Tingnan natin kung sino ang susunod ninyo na lover. Another. I'm kind of like feeling na wrong business or wrong timing, to be honest with you. So, I feel na in either way to, so I'll just let it be. Ngayon, i-clarify natin yung cards. At yun iba sa inyo, iwalay kayo sa inyong asawa at anak. Pero if yun na walang tao na gustong makisama sa'yo kasi they could be knowing nakakaalis o pala ng relasyon. At saka may problem ka rin na kinakaharap. So, anyway, ito yung nangyayari na nawala kung ano man ang meron ka before. Without okay being here, so I feel na kaya ito nangyari kasi you are learning how to be independent or how to be on your own. That's why this has to happen. So far guys, this is an easier way kasi nakita ko dito na yun nga, meron naman lover in the future. Pero saka pa lang ito magkakaroon guys if you manage to release any toxic attitude that you may have. At saka isipin mo rin kung ba't nawala yung relasyon kasi if yun na may dahilan, meron kayong issue na dapat nyong i-resolve muna before you found the lover. Kasi yung nangyayari dito is yung next lovers ninyo, I really feel marami. Kasi baka naghanap kayo online tapos lagi umaalis because of the reason that sa ngayon hindi nyo pa oras sa magkaroon ng relasyon because of the reason na kailangan nyo muna mag-heal about sa nangyari sa inyo ng inyong partner or lover. And with the protect being here, so I'm sensing na yung mga tao ay nag-aalisan sa iyong buhay kasi gusto nilang protektahan yung kanilang sarili. Ayaw nilang magkaroon ng problema dahil sa kaalisong pa lang ng relasyon. I feel na you need some timing to heal as you can see here. But with the faith, I feel na kailangan mo rin i-acknowledge kung ba ito dapat nangyari sa inyong buhay. Okay? Kasi it will open the door towards new chapter kung kayo ay mag-recover at babaguhin nyo yung sarili ninyo na wala na yung ganitong energy na deceitfulness. Okay? So, yun dapat yung i-clear as of this time, so that you may find the one. So anyway guys, if you manage to change into a good person, there will be a person that will come into your life at itong taon na to matatagpuan mo siya through your work as we can see here at maging connected kayo because of that certain job that you have or kung naman yung pinagkakaabalahan ninyo. Next that we have is this one. So, importante talaga guys na i-resolve mo yung iyong issue. So, mo itong baliwalain. Kasi baka ito yung magdulot ng negativity sa inyong future relationship kung magkakaroon kayo guys. Kasi I really feel here na sakalan darating sa inyo lover kapag stable na kayo with regards sa inyong career. Okay? Pero definitely magkakaroon ng issue kapag guys hindi kayo natuto sa pagkakamali mo noong past. So we have the runner here. So I'm feeling na yung paparating na lover sa inyo ay tatakbuhan kayo or i-ghost kayo dahil connected pa kayo sa inyong past person, can be or kakahiwalay nyo lang. And now, let's read. We got runner in a codependent relationship, fear of intimacy, and listen to ego. So, yun nga, may fear sila, kaya hindi sila pumapato sa inyo dahil feeling nila connected pa kayo sa past person. So, make sure you clear out the issues, to be honest with you. Pero once na clear nyo na yan, saka pala darating yung pinaka talagang para sa inyo, guys. Okay, so far di nila pinapakita kung sino talaga yung future na yan. Kasi if nasa ka pa lang, kapag naayos yun na. Okay, so we have this one in easier way. We also have do your best in easier way. So, I'm feeling here, guys, yung gusto sanang ipaalam nila sa inyo na you really have to do your best next time kung magkakaroon kayo ng relationship. Hindi pwedeng tatamad-tamad or pwedeng yung partner nyo lang yung gawa ng gawa sa connection. Dapat kayo, meron din kayong actually ambag sa relationship. Hindi lang laging serve na serve yung inyong partner. Kasi definitely magkakaroon ng away, sayang naman yung pinadala ng Panginoon, di ba? So ito yung i-resolve nyo na issue kasi isa rin yun sa dahilan kung ba't kayo iniiwan ng partner ninyo dahil nakita ka niya na parang burden, parang nilalagay mo sa kanya lahat ng burden mo or talagang mataas ang expectation mo sa kanya. So iwasan nyo yun. So you have the save in reverse. We also got curse in reverse. So gusto rin nila ipaalam sa inyo na minamalas ka sa love life. Hindi dahil sa curse, I feel na dahil may kailangan ka lang na i-resolve na issues dito. So that the past may not repeat itself. So we have the hope, but may hope tayo na magkakaroon ka rin ng partner in the future. Pero saka pa lang guys, kapag naalis na kayo sa stagnancy or kapag naayos nyo si career. Beautiful. We also have forget in reverse. And we also have this one. So far gusto rin nila sabihin sa inyo na beautiful naman kayo at attractive. Huwag niyong isipin na umaalis yung mga nagtatry na, maging lover ninyo. Hindi naman dahil sa issue sa beauty. I think it's more unlikely the issue kasi hindi pa kayo nakakaalis or recover with regards sa inyong past people, okay? So anyway, let's see what else do we have here. I'm sensing you can tell if there is one more gift I ask of you, Lord, it will be peace. So, ito rin siguro yung gusto mong kailangan na may peace ka sana. Kasi feel hindi ka mapakali hanggang wala kang partner. Para nasanay ka na magkaroon ng partner. So, I feel na tanggalin mo yung ganong energy. I feel na you're being called on to actually be single para matutunan mo na to be on your own. Okay? Remember na in this life, you're being taught on to survive kahit na wala tayong partner. Okay? And learn to be dependent on yourself rather than be dependent on your lover. Kasi mapapansin kung may future lover man kayo, mapapansin yung future lover na nilalagay mo lahat sa kanya yung burden. So, sa ngayon yung energy guys, yung mga next lovers mo is yung runner. Okay? Kasi I feel na yung talagang tao na give sign ng langit ay matagal nyo pa itong makakamtan. kapag na-assess na kayo with regards sa career. But yet, God is reminding you to actually let go of the issues that you have before. You need to be a changed person para makasurvive kung ano man ang future relationship na meron kayo. So anyway, we got the moon here. So far, hindi pa pinapakita sa inyo ng Panginoon kung sino talaga tong gift na ibibigay niya. Kasi kailangan nyo matuto muna na tumayo sa sarili nyong mga paa, as you can see here. At hindi masyado maging codependent over your lovers, okay? So, yun nga, gusto ng Panginoon na mag-contemplate ka muna sa wrong deeds na meron ka before and you really need to change for the future. So, sa ngayon, tinatawagan ka ng Panginoon na maging single ka muna at huwag kang hahabol-habol ng mga tao na kapalitan yung lover kasi ito yung expectation mo na yung person mo dapat is someone na talaga magbabalance sa inyo. Isipin nyo na kaya nyo maging complete on your own. Okay, so I really feel here as well na iba sa inyo kailangan nyo pa ng contemplation period, lalo na with regards to your career, kasi baka hindi nyo pa alam kung ano talaga yung dapat na endeavor or trabaho para sa inyo guys, okay? So, yung life mo is kinda like stagnant, tsaka matagal yung proseso because of the reason that you really need to acknowledge kung ano man yung masama mong nagawa dati. Kasi ito yung nangyari sa totoo lang na perspective ng old lover mo, yung ex mo, na ikaw ay burden. Yung malungkot dito guys, yung iba sa inyo, hindi yung naiisip or napapansin na naging pabigat pala kayo sa inyong lover. So, you really need to admit your mistakes and change for the future. So, once na naging upright na kayong tao, saka palang darating yung tao talaga na pinadala sa inyo ng Panginoon na upright na tao din. And kung hindi kayo in the same vibe with this person, then hindi mo siya mamimit. So far, hindi kayo binibigyan ng clue ng Panginoon kung ano itong tao na to, pero I sense na kailangan nyo muna talaga na maging single. I cannot say na it will be just for months. I feel na kailangan nyo ng years na maging single, okay? And resolve your own issues. At saka admit your mistakes para matuto kayo sa pagkakamali ninyo. So anyway, that's it with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation, and God bless all of you. So pumili ng coffin card dito yung reading. Tignan natin kung sino yung susunod nyo na lover. Okay, sabi nila cleanse daw muna, so just go ahead and cleanse. So, I really feel na nainggit ka sa inyong kapwa na merong mga lover. At saka matagal mo na talagang hinahangad na magkaroon ka rin. Kasi siguro, I really feel na matagal ka ng panahon na broken-hearted. Okay? Kaya ka siguro nandito, maybe you're wondering kung sino yung susunod na lover. Okay? I really feel na you're hoping for somebody that's really genuinely loving towards you. Pero tingnan natin, okay? I-clarify muna natin yung cards. I feel na hindi pa rin kayo nagbabagong buhay. So, to be honest with you, I really feel heaviness sa aking mata. Kasi siguro may nangyari noong past na until now hindi mo pa nare-resolbahan. Para siya may kinalaman sa number 1, pero yung storya nyo kasi may pagka-deep. Okay? And na-feel ko talagang heavy sa mata ng pakiramdam. Hugs to every one of you kasi na-sense ko na hindi pa talaga kayo naka-move on. Okay? So, sa ngayon, meron kayong career, okay? Ito yung pinakaiba nyo sa number 1, at least meron kang career. Pero kasi, I really see here na pinofocus mo yung sarili mo sa career kasi parang tatamad ka na or ayaw mo na uli magka-lover kasi madalas may issue, may problem, and so on. So, yung gusto nilang ipaalam sa inyo guys, na yung kulang na lang talaga is i-resolve mo yung nag-hold back sa inyo to find our person. I feel here na mayroon kayong fear within dahil siguro sa nangyari noong past. So, I feel na gusto rin ipaalam sa inyo ng Panginoon na nangyari yung past so that you'll be able to learn from your mistakes. Okay? Lesson that we have is this open. So, God wants you to know na maging open ka na what you call this, tumanggap. Kasi kung sakali man na merong mga taong may gusto sa'yo or may pagkakataon na binigyan na kayo ng pagkakataon ng Diyos sa magkaroon uli ng lover, naiwasan nyo. Kasi as you can see here, focus kayo sa work. What if you meet somebody that is already been loving and caring? Mamimiss out nyo yung opportunity. Okay? So, sa ngayon, I'm sensing here na ito dapat yung energy nyo to find that lover na pinadala sa inyo ng Panginoon. But first, you have to have that open heart. Alright? Kasi ito yung nangyayari sa ngayon, na focus kayo sa work at material gain to the point na parang ganito yung energy na umiiwas kayo sa relasyon. But God wants you to know that currently as of now, nakaka-attract kayo ng mga tao kasi you are in this energy that you're standing in your power as of this time. And I'm sensing na dahil ganito yung energy nyo, merong tao na talagang may potential. And this is a person that's really a loving and caring energy. I feel na may charisma tong taon to. Pero baka hindi nyo napapansin kasi busy kayo sa inyong work, okay? So, take some time to heal about your past and move on from it. Just make sure na hindi nyo na actually i-commit yung same mistake na nagawa nyo dati so that the past may not repeat itself and know na hindi lahat ng tao ay masama, okay? Baka kasi na-stress kayo or na-trauma sa nangyari noon. So, distance yourself from possibilities of the past kasi past is now behind you. So, anyway, ito yung inyong card, Coffin. It says your endings bring new beginnings, growth, change, liberation, and transition. So, I'm sensing with this card na may changes sa nangyayari. I feel na yung change na yan is kung dati wala kayong lover, matagal na, magkakaroon ng changes, magkakaroon ka ng lover because first of all, maybe you learn from your mistakes. Or maybe you're somebody who goes out of your shell. Kasi matagal na kayo natakot na magkaroon ng relationship. Baka ayaw nyo nang masaktan muli. But God is wanting you to give a connection a chance. So anyway, let's see kung ano pang meron. So, we have this one cold. So, ngayon, cold-hearted kayo. Hindi kayo open sa connection. And maybe we have the why here. So, baka kasi until now, you didn't move on from the past. And you keep on questioning why this happened to you sa past. And we got a message here in either way. You also have this one in reverse. I feel na yung energy nyo is that you're distancing yourself from others. And dahil yun nga, nasaktan kayo before. And really need this peace and harmony inside of you. And reach is in reverse here. And we also got the cherish. So, I'm sensing as well, guys, kung sakali man may issue kayo with regards sa yaman, iwasan nyo maging materialistic at I feel here na talagang dapat i-heal nyo yung sarili ninyo kasi may tendency kayo na bili ng gamit na hindi nyo kailangan kasi maybe you thought that is something that will bring you happiness and joy dahil malungkot kayo sa inyong puso. So, I think what God is trying to tell you is that alis yung perspective ninyo na yung mga material na bagay ay magpapasaya sa inyo. Dahil yan yung cause kung bakit until now you're not that rich, okay? And learn to be appreciative of simplicity, okay? And we got to cherish here. We also got this in easier way. I feel na gusto rin nila yung paalam sa'yo na i-cherish mo na, yung past is hindi natuloy. Kasi I feel na meron talagang dahilan ng Diyos ba't ito nangyari. Maybe that is somebody na hindi talaga destined for you or talagang, hindi talaga okay. I really sense na naiyak pa kayo kada naalala nyo. But I try to analyze things, okay? So we got the bliss in easier way and we also got the near in easier way. So malapit nyo na matagpuan yung lover na tinutukoy nilang parating sa inyo. And that's the reason why kung ba't kayo pinipilit na sana, i-let go nyo na yung past, mag-heal na kayo, and learn as well to invest on the right things so that you will be fruitful. Okay? Kasi may potential naman kayo maging rich, kasi may focus kayo. Yun nga lang yung problema nyo, nalulustay nyo yung pera sa mali. Another, they say to me, I'm sensing may possibility na ma-meet nyo to next year. Kasi sa ngayon, honestly, this year is kinda like more on focus sa career. Hindi siya actually love year, okay? It's kinda like workaholic year. Okay? So, anyway, yun nga. Kasi kailangan nyo pa mag-heal sa nangyari noong past. Okay? So, anyway, sa ngayon, yung inaas nila sa inyo is maging open kayo tsaka learn to save your money as we can see here. So far, yung lover na parating is magbibigin kayo as friends. But yet, kung di kayo nakapag-heal, guys, baka kasi may tendency na isipin mo na yung parating na lover is kagaya ng mga tao mo noong past. So, for yung parating na lover sa inyo, mabilis ang dating ng pera sa kanya, may stable na trabaho, at siya ay authentic as you can see here. But yun nga lang, kailangan mo muna mag-move on kasi baka i-push away mo kung sino tong parating sa inyo kung hindi kayo mag-move on, okay? So, itong tao na to darating sa inyong buhay kasi I feel na ito yung energy nyo na hindi kayo maayos mag-handle ng money. So, itong tao na to, balance, as you can see here, marami siyang ituturo sa inyo, including sa pag-invest sa tama, tsaka I feel na i-enlight kayo ng taong ito para mapunta kayo sa tamang direction. So, I feel na this is somebody na hindi karmic or hindi rin siya toxic, upright ang kanyang energy, and I feel na talagang encourage siya kayo maging upright din na tao at saka maging simple and wise sa pag-handle ng pera. So, anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation, and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng soulmates card, dito niya reading. Tingnan natin kung sino susunodin niyo na lover. I feel na matagal na kayong naghihintay sa isang tao. Iba sa inyo, baka nawawala na kayo ng pag-asa kasi matagal nyo na siyang inaantay. At nandito lang siguro kayo, you're wondering if it's that person or merong pang parating na iba. Okay? Ngayon, I feel na yung headspace nyo ay nalilito kayo, to be honest. Even if you're aware na na-meet nyo na yung parang the one. Pero pa rin, na-sense ko yung energy nyo na nag-aalangan about this certain person. Kasi baka matagal na talaga kayo nag-aantay, okay? So, hindi ko rin kayo masisisi kung matagal na yan na panahon. Okay. Anyway, matagal na panahon kayo naging single at nag-aantay sa tao na hinihintay ninyo. Kasi I'm sensing na marami siya na pagdaanan before naging kayo. Maybe God is kinda like turning him or her into somebody na you really like. Okay, baka kasi kung sino man yung taong hinihintay mo, immature siya. Nung time na nakita kayo, di kayo nung naging kayo agad. Kasi may natututunan pa siyang mga bagay-bagay. Okay, so yeah, this person needs to change, needs to learn. As we can see here. At naiyak ka kasi matagal na eh. Okay, halos ganito na yung energy mo na nawalan ka na ng pag-asa sa yung tao, kaya ka undecisive with regards sa love connection. Ngayon, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon sa inyo na yes, may tao para sa inyo. I feel that this is one of your friends, yung iba naman sa inyo ay katrabaho ninyo, at itong tao na parating sa inyong buhay is somebody na caring vibe. Mag-start siguro kayo as friends. So, sa work kayo nagkakilala. Nag-umpisa sa friends and then naging lovers. And then, ito yung maganda kasi 2 beses tayo nakakita ng baby dito, okay? So, kayong dalawa guys ay magkakaroon ng baby. Okay, and I feel here dahil sa baby na yan, yung tao mo ay hindi aalis sa inyong buhay at magiging busy siya sa kanyang life. So, kung sino man si parating, I feel na kung sino man ito guys, sa sense ko soulmate mo siya. Kung sino man siya guys, habulin siya ng mga tao. Okay, and I feel na naiyak siya kasi, patuloy siyang hinahanap ng mga taong ito kahit na hindi na siya single. Okay, hindi ko naman sinasabing player siya. Ano lang siya, attractive. Okay, tsaka pinipilit siyang kunin ng mga taong ito. So, let's see kung ano pang meron, okay? So, I'm sensing na itong tao na itong marami siya na pagdaanan kasi kailangan niya matuto na umiwas sa tukso at mag-focus kung ano talaga yung meant para sa kanya. At dito sa mga pagdaanan niya, siya ay magiging loyal sa inyo. Okay? So, I feel na kung sino yung next lover ninyo, guys. I feel na mayak kayo kasi matagal nyo na talaga itong hinihiling sa Panginoon. Okay? And the angels told me na focusan kayo sa work and know na darating kung sino man itong parating sa inyo na soulmate kasi matagal nyo na yan pinagdasal. So, anyway, we got a soulmate card. It says your soul connection, partnership, agreement, and soul contract. So, may narinig kayong away sa background. Ibig sabihin lang nun, baka tong tao na to inaaway kasi maraming nagdedemand sa kanyang attention. At saka, I'm sensing, baka yung tao mo kasi gwapo or maganda, at saka attractive, kung ano man yan, kaya siya habulin. At baka nag-aalala kayo na baka, maging player yan. I don't see na player siya. I feel na focus siya sa work. At kung maging kayo, maging focus din siya sa inyo. Lalo na kung magkakaroon kayo ng anak. Okay? So, anyway, tingnan natin kung ano pang meron. At feel na kung sino man to guys, maganda siya or gwapo. So, you have the try in reverse. We also have this one in reverse. So, itong tao na to, hindi siya deceitful. Okay? At hindi rin siya somebody na watchful. Okay? Parang, siya, bibigyan kanya ng kalayaan na gawin mo yung gusto mo. Pero huwag nyo naman sanang abusuhin. Okay? So, we have this one. So, iba sa inyo may tendency na ito yung tao talaga na hinihintay nyo. na bumalik. So, babalik siya. As you can see, on divine timing, once that this person change. So, may pagbabago sa kanyang buhay. Kailangan niya kasing maalis sa tukso. I feel in the past, maybe natukso siya, pero natuto na siya with regards sa mistakes. At once na natuto na siya, saka pala siya babalik sa inyong buhay. So, you have the new in either way and we have the past in reverse. I'm feeling here, yung ba sa inyo, really depends lang talaga sa situation. So, disclaimer guys, kasi yung ba sa inyo may tendency na itong taon na to pa rin yung piliin ninyo while the other part of you guys, gusto nyo sana ng bagong tao dahil ayaw nyo na sa past sa tao. Kasi ayaw nyo na kay ex. May ba sa inyo? But yet yung iba na nag-aantay dyan, yes, si ex ang yung next lover, okay? So, you have the dream here. We also have the I love you in reverse. And we also got so sweet in either way. So, I'm sensing guys, sa talagang binibigyan kayo talaga ng sign ng Panginoon na kung sino man yung sa tao ninyo, ito na yung inyong soulmate. Okay? Kasi I feel here na nagkakaroon kayo ng panaginip. So, meaning lang nun, binibigyan na talaga kayo ng Diyos ng mga signs para, ito siguro yung dahilan ba't kayo single at nag-aantay kasi, nagkakaroon kayo ng signs. Kasi guys, your next lover, there's really a potential na ito talaga yung hinihintay nyo. So, sorry. Wrong cards. So, tingnan natin kung anong pang meron. Yung problema lang guys, kasi baka iba sa inyo ay you let go already kasi we have I love you in reverse. Pero, okay, kaya you felt drawn to this person kasi you guys are soulmates. An answer they mentioned to me. So, I feel that this person loves you from afar and I feel that currently as of now, they are single and focusan talaga sa work, money making kasi nakita mo naman sa inyong reading na focus siya sa work, okay? Pero I feel na mabuti siyang tao at kung sakali man nasaktan ka niya in the past, past is past, okay? Hindi na siya kagaya noon na can be nag-player siya before, okay? Nagbagong buhay. Kaya ito, natuto, tsaka gustong bumalik sa inyo. So, anyway guys, kung sino man si lover na parating sa inyong buhay, so I currently my work as of this time. Pero I feel that this person still dealing with people na hindi meant para sa kanya. At kung sakali man na may mga tao pa siya ng ganyan, madalas ang away sa kanyang buhay. Hanggat, nananatili siya nakasama yung mga taong masasama, okay, or hindi talaga suwak sa kanya. Ngayon, itong tao na parating sa inyong buhay, yung next lover ninyo guys, is somebody na na-meet nyo na, at saka nung first meeting nyo, alam nyo na talaga na siya ay inyong soulmate. Yun nga lang, hindi naging kayo kasi may lack of action dito guys, okay? So, I'm sensing na babalik itong tao na to once that he or she realize your worth. Okay, tsaka I feel na naiyak kayo kasi, ito kasi nangyari, nawalan kayo ng passion sa kanya. Kasi first of all, I feel na yung feeling nyo, pinaasa lang kayo. At tsaka hindi yan kayo binigyan ng peace of mind. At tsaka hindi yan sa inyo pinadama yung love na talagang deserve ninyo. But yet, it's really up to you guys if you will give this person a second chance. But this is just to clarify guys, na babalik ko sino man tong past person ninyo. So anyway, that's it guys with regards to your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation and God bless all of you. Sa pumili ng love card dito in your reading, tingnan natin kung sino yung susunod na lover ninyo. I feel na marami kayong pinagdaanan. Talagang kada may relasyon kayo, lagi na lang kayo namamaltrato or hindi talaga okay for you yung mga naging past lovers ninyo. I really feel, guys, na with regards to reading, it takes divine timing to actually find a partner that you're looking for. Kasi I feel here, nahirap ang Panginoon na i-align ka sa tamang tao. Kasi remember na konti na lang talaga sa mundong ito yung talagang mabubuting tao. Okay? Pero dati ang panahon na mamimit mo rin yung the one for you. So, take some time, guys, at wag kayo mag-rush ang love. Para may pagkakataon kayo na mamit yung the one for you. Alright? So, kung may work, focus muna kayo sa work ninyo. So, anyway, bear with me, marami kayong cards. Ngayon, i-clarify natin to gain more information. I really feel here, guys, meron tao sa inyong buhay na mapagmataas. At I'm sensing na nilalayo ka ng Panginoon sa kanya kasi it's not the right person for you. So maybe as of now, you do have a lover or pwedeng potential na lover, but I don't feel this is the right person. At naguguluhan ka sa kanya kasi minsan siguro mabait, minsan topakin, di mo alam. Inis mo, natural lang yan, wala namang perfectong tao. But yet, I really feel na hindi siya yung the one that you're looking for. Okay? Baka may dahilan, guys, kung ba't kayo nakita ng taong ito. If you know as of now, guys, so currently stable sa inyo talaga ay career. Pero sa love life, distance, okay? I don't feel na na-meet nyo na si the one. So, hindi ko naman sinasabi na agad kayo makipag-break, okay? I will say na let it go naturally na lang. I-pray nyo na lang sa Panginoon. Kasi hindi rin talaga maganda na agad na maiwalay kayo na walang dahilan. Hindi maganda yun, okay? So, just let God do the trick. And ipagdasal nyo, guys, okay? So, anyway, ito yung nangyari sa inyo. Na currently right now you're lost with regards to love life, but yet I feel like some of you do have an idea what kind of person you really want or what you're searching for. So as I told you, yung meron lang talaga sa inyo is career. Pero sa love life, you know, madalas tampuhan, alangan, okay? At like kayo siguro nag-aaway kasi parang pinipilit kayong paghiwalayin. At I'm sensing na siguro nagkaroon kayo na realization na hindi talaga siya yung tamang tao for you. Kasi you're really searching for somebody that's really in this loving energy na wifey material or, you know, what they call this, husband material. Pero kasi I feel na yung lover nyo as of now or kung sino man yung inaay nyo ay talagang malayo sa gusto mo sana. Okay? So, anyway, I feel na meron din kayong ex, to be honest with you, na gusto pa rin kayo as of this time. Kasi I feel na yung dahilan naman ni ex sa inyo is nakita kayo naging successful at saka iba sa kanila gusto ka pa rin maging friend, maging lover. So, isa pa sa parating sa inyong buhay na lover is yung iyong ex. I feel na itong ex mo na to, saka lang siya babalik kapag may pera ka. Parang ginamit ka lang niya sa pera. Na-sense ko yung kahaman na energy dito. So, marami pala nagkakagusto sa inyo, guys. Okay, so ito yung nangyayari. Kung sakali man meron ka ng jowa sa ngayon, kaya nangyayari yung mga away na yan, kasi this isn't the right person for you. Okay? Kasi ito yung pinagkaiba. Hindi ko naman sinabi na iwanan niyo yung mga hindi stable, guys. Okay? I feel na nagtagpo kayo kasi ito yung iyong energy. Marunong kayo mag-handle ng pera at tinuturuan mo siya kung paano gawin yun para malayo siya sa kahirapan. So, yan yung purpose mo sa kanya. But I'm not quite sure kung natututo siya sa leksyon na yun. Okay? So, ito yung masakit kasi loyal kayo sa taong ito. But yet nakakita ka na talaga ng signs na mag-ending yung connection. Maybe because of the reason na nagpakita na sa inyo yung Diyos ng signs na hindi siya para sa inyo. Nandito lang siya to learn something from you. Okay? So, I feel guys, ito yun yung paghandaan nyo. Since you guys are not destined for each other, kung sino man yung kakonnection mo sa ngayon, mag-expect kayo na baka magkaroon ng third party situation na mag-i-stop sa inyong relasyon. Yung mangyayari dito, kahit nasabi natin loyal si partner mo, baka may manggayuma sa kanya. And I'm sensing na ito yung may tuksong darating at yung tukso na yan, ginagayuma siya. Maganda or gwapo itong tao na to. And with this justice being here, so ibig sabihin lang nun, yung energy, kung sino man yung nagkagayuma sa kanya, magkasing energy sila. At saka remember na kung sino man itong connection mo sa ngayon, may dapat siya matutunan sa inyo. I feel this person still learning. In this learning process, hindi pa siya yung 100% na talaga nagsaswak sa yung energy, kaya madalas kayo nagtatalo. Lesson that we have is this one. So, yung next lover mong parating after kung sino man itong nilalayo ng Panginoon is somebody na destined na may gawin for this world. Siya ay madasalin, guys. Malapit talaga to sa Diyos. At saka, I'm sensing na magugustuhan mo siya, lalo na kung ganyan din yung inyong vibe, okay? So, sa ngayon, kung sino itong lover na parating, yung destined for you is somebody na hopeful pa rin sa connection na magkaroon siya. Pero I feel with this one here, okay, sa ngayon, I feel na parang hindi niya focus ang love life. Okay, sa ngayon, more on self-love siya sa ngayon. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabing makasarili siya. I feel here na hindi niya talaga, what do you call this, hindi niya talaga sa ngayon fino-focus si love life. So anyway, we have this card, love, and it says your unconditional love, self-love, oneness, passion, affection, and attraction. So I'm sensing sa ngayon siguro ito yung iyong energy na meron kayong current lover sa ngayon, but yet I feel here na naiyak kayo kasi you could be feeling na this could not be the one for you. Kasi guys, I'm feeling here na yung talagang for you is somebody na ipapadama sa inyo yung talagang love na hinahanap ninyo. Kasi I feel na kung may ka-connection kayo guys, hindi pa 100% na pinapadama sa inyo yung unconditional love na hinahanap nyo. Parang nagtagpo lang kayo to learn from each other. So anyway, let's see kung ano pang meron. I feel na kung sino man yun talaga para sa inyo guys, itong tao na to ay talagang, I feel na iba sa kanila yung influencer or teacher. Parang ba yung vibe nila ay nandun out there? Because remember, they are doing their mission work here on earth, okay? And I'm sensing na ground yung kanilang energy, talagang mature. So, we got this one. I feel this person will find you attractive quickly sa umpisa pa lang na nakita kayo. So, this key will unlock kung sakaling maalis na kayo sa maling lover. So, this one is in reverse. So, kung sino man yung next lover ninyo, hindi kayo madalas mag-away, guys. Kasi I really sense yung energy ng pagiging mature sa kanilang vibe. So, we have to say, so this is somebody that is introvert. We got the love. So, this is a loving person. So, 2 beses yung meron tayong love dito, okay? So, we got 13 in reverse. So, swerte itong tao na to. So, judge. judgment in easier way. We also have this one here. Heavy got the warm. Itong tao na to guys, okay, may pagka-cold-hearted siya sa iba. Okay, kapag napapansin niya na yung mga taong yun ay hindi mabuti. Okay, so suddenly na-sense ko yung blockage sa throat. So, I'm sensing here na kung sino man ito guys, hindi siya basta nagsasalita, bihira lang. Ano siya, parang silent worker ba? At hindi rin siya madalas nagpo-post sa social media. So, I wonder how you will meet this person, okay? Interesting. Napaka-interesting ng tao nyo. I feel a new lover to guys. Hindi siya ex. At hindi ko rin na-feel na na-meet nyo na siya. I feel na this is somebody that's really definitely new. At I feel like what you're looking for, okay? I don't know why, but I sense 40s. Yung iba lang sa inyo, baka 40 years old na to. I'm not quite sure. Disclaimer lang, baka yung iba lang. About, okay, 4% daw is 40 years old tong taong to. Anyway, so, ito yung cards na meron tayo. So, whomever is your next lover is, ito yung somebody na emotionally fulfilled, even he or she is on their own, as you can see. So, maraming tao nagkakagusto sa kanya, pero wala siyang trip sa mga taong yun. So, this is a single person. And as I told you, this is somebody na out there. I feel na meron siya mataas sa posisyon or pwedeng sikat, pwedeng teacher, pwedeng counselor, pwede rin. Okay? And this is somebody na mapagmahal, as you can see. Matagal mo na talagang hinahanap yung taong ganyan. And ito yung tao din na nakaranas ng masasakit na pangyayari sa buhay. And I'm feeling here na naiyak siya kasi this person could have dealt with somebody na liar, controlling, manipulative, and na-sense ko yung heaviness sa mata. Kasi sa ngayon, nag-heal pa rin siya about this wrong person here. So, anyway, kung hindi pa kayo nakikita, kasi in your case situation, you could have somebody na you're eyeing on or pwedeng involve kayo sa relationship. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, you know, hindi pa kayo nakikita guys kasi they need healing work to do kung sino yung tao for you. Definitely. Hindi pa rin kayo nakikita kasi you're connected with somebody. So, sana, okay, makalisin kayo sa karmic connection kung sino man ito, but yet, make it natural, guys, okay? Huwag dahil sa reading na to agad na nag-break. No, don't do that. Make it come naturally. Pray to God about it. Okay? Because God knows the perfect timing for this, okay? Huwag kayo magmadali, guys. Chill, 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 okay? So anyway, that's it, guys, and God bless all of you.